We are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Discord and Telegram. Families and friends will prosper. Let's pick up for business. Okay, everyone, we are looking at GBP, NZD. So let's take a look at what is going on in the market. So back in November of 2001, the market has started off. So what I see right here is a double top, is an invisible double top. So let's say it came from somewhere here, pushed up, ran to resistance, came back down, pushed up again for the retest, which would be to create the double top formation right here. So you see the double top, and then the market pushed down. It broke through new areas of support. From there, there's another formation that happened right here. I'm going to demonstrate it. The formation is the W, and then after the retest, we got to push down. This is the first leg, this is the second leg, this is the third leg. Let me go back. So this will be the first leg, this is the second leg, this is the third leg, and then we have the fourth leg. So right here with the fourth leg, we see that we had the formation of W. This is the area of resistance, is that? From there, the market wasn't able to retest and shoot up. The market broke down. Once the market broke down, it broke through our support, played around down here, created a new area of support, went right back up to our resistance to come right back down, and I see a formation pattern. So I'm going to go back. The formation pattern is a double bottom. When we see double bottom, we find a retest and the market pushed down. This is the formation of double bottom. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. This is the formation of double bottom. The retest was trying to happen here, but the market wasn't able to hold to push up to this resistance to break out, so the market broke straight back down, created new areas of support. So from there we have a major area of support that the market has created. And there's new areas of lower lows. So once the market broke this support, it went all the way back down to new areas of support. And basically what the market did was touch the support, and it broke back out to go head back up to the resistance. It had, let me go back. So something happened here. So if we look in right here, a pattern happened. You got the railroad tracks, the red bars, candles engulfed over the green one going down, so that would make the market press down. So once we had that engulfing pattern, the market pushed down, retested previous areas of resistance. So it was something in here that the market retested. There's something going on here, and then there's another level, probably look like here. So we can see that the market retested previous areas to try to come back up, wasn't able to, push right back down, and head go formation. So I'm going to demonstrate what I see. There's a double bottom. This is the first leg of the double bottom. So it went back and created new areas of support, of lower lows that it has ever been. First leg of the W, second leg of double bottom, third leg of double bottom. We had that push up. Now this is the formation of the W bottom, the double bottom, and then from there the market pushed down to retest, and then it pushed up. So most of the time after a double bottom, we would see a retest and the market pushed up. It did happen. So the market put itself in some type of range. It just bounced up and down here and tried to break the resistance in that area here. We caught the railroad tracks on the top here. So once we just seen the railroad tracks, we're going to take it. Market's going back down, which it did. So now the market is in this consolidation area space. So we got to see if the market's going to go up or it's going to go down. I want to clear my screen. So we figured out market structure. So the market is reached lower lows, new areas. It came out of new areas, lower lows, and it's consolidating. So it looks like it's in an uptrend. So we're just going to confirm that uptrend by grabbing our trend line, and that we can see that we are in some type of uptrend from here. So once we got here, this is the area of the market's trying to reach its high highs. If it breaks up here, it go up higher. So what I'm seeing is that we have an area of, hold on, let me clean this up. Okay, so what I see is we have a major area of support here. So we have second level lower lows here, and this is where price is riding and respecting the support line. And then right above there we have a resistance. And then from there, if the market breaks that, it'll try to probably head up to new areas of higher highs. So we have to figure out what's going on in here. And I think I see what's going on here. I see a pattern, so I see a formation. So I want to identify what I see. So what I think I see, and this is definitely confirmed that the market probably is going to go up, is multiple double bottoms in here. So as I can see now, playing with it, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can see a formation of W. And there's also some market from there consolidated sideways. And then we can see another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got another double bottom. The market retested, and then we pushed up higher to back to areas higher highs. And then we can see the other formation of W, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then now we got to see what's going on. So the market could either break that trend line and go down, or respect that trend line and go up. So if it breaks out trend line, it's going to head down to the next area of support. Just because it breaks out trend line don't mean it can still go up. So the trend line does look like a uptrend on the time frame that we are on. If we head over to, if we create our SR lines, which we'll do, what we do is look for price action, which is the last green candle here. So we try to figure out what price action is trying to break. So we can see that it's trying to break this inverted candle here. Also, if price goes up, it's going to head to this peak here. And then if price goes back, it's going to go to this inverted peak in these areas. And we can definitely see how price is definitely respecting it. And we can see how formations in these areas near price actions forming or trying to form. Definitely this last area is trying to form double bottoms. Okay, so from there, let's go down the time frame. Let's take a closer look at, let's see if we can add SR lines within our SR lines. We're going to do a top-down analysis. We're going to start off within the bottom of the top SR line and work our way down, and we are looking for peaks. So looking for peaks, we have a peak here, we have a peak here, there's a few, there's a peak here, and it's probably one right here, or something's going on here, and there's something that's going on here too. So that's the inverted peaks. So that was the top-down analysis. Supposed to work my way down up to a bottoms up analysis. So we're looking for inverted peaks. There's something going on in this area here, and I end up grabbing 2 or 3 before I even mentioned that we're going to go bottoms up with our analysis. And there's another inverted peak here. So we created our SR lines. So what we're going to do next is we are going to look for patterns in the market, and let's see if we can identify what is going on here. So what I see with what is going on in this time frame is this. Market has this, so this is the price of, this is the price right here of, let me clear this back. Okay, so this is the area of high highs where price is trying to return to. This is a second level of area of high highs, and you can see that it's being respected by the wicks and the bodies of the candles. If price breaks this level here, then it'll probably head up to this level. So if the market goes down, it's probably trying to go down this level. I should have changed the colors so you guys can see clearly. So something also is going on here. So I'm going to change up these colors a little bit so you guys can definitely see what I'm seeing. So my SR lines that I'm changing to blue, I'm going to show you guys something that I see in the market. And the last line is right here. So this is how we're going to identify if the market is going into what our direction, what we're saying or what we think is going to happen. So from here, okay, so we got area high highs. With that area high highs, this is what I caught. Change this back to red. So what I caught was this. Area high highs, market came up, retested some areas here, ran to areas high highs, market came down, retested previous area resistance, broke down the support, and then this is where the games begin. So we have the first leg here, the second leg, we have a third leg, and this is the fourth leg. The retest happened here, which was supposed to have been a push-up. It could have been a push-up, wasn't a push-up, and the retest pushed right back down. So when the retest pushed back down, it didn't create that formation of the W, but then if you look at it backwards, it did a double top. So first leg, second leg, third leg, we see the wicks at the top here and the wicks at the top here engulfing, push down once, push down twice, and this is where the area of the market created the support, and we can see the market's going up by this area here. So there's another formation happening like we've seen on the other time frame. First leg, second leg, third leg, formation completed, which is the double bottom. After the double bottom, we have a retest, which is happening right here as we speak, and then the market probably will come down to our SR line to push up further to come up to our areas of high highs. So we're looking for price to hit this area here. So I'm going to clear the screen. We're going to look for patterns, which we did see a pattern. I kind of told you guys what was coming up. Also, something that's going on in this area is if we take we found the pattern of the formation, but if we go to price action and we grab the area of higher highs, so we look for price action, you grab the area high highs, and let's say we put a white rectangle, which I would call a cover, over the high highs and lower lows. It's not white, it's orange cover. So the orange cover that we cover with the rectangle, if we grab the high highs, grab the lowest low, grab the area of what price actions horizontal to the right, and then if we look at what's going on in this area, the pattern will form. And like we said, we already picked out the pattern. It's the double bottom with the retest. Now we're looking for for price action to push up. Let's identify, see if we see anything on the lower time frame. So on the lower time frame, where we can see that market has reached areas of higher highs, it came down to areas of lower lows, it touched twice, and we can see that formation in there. I'm going to demonstrate that in a second. So there's something, so price is trying to return back up into this area of higher highs. If not, it can return back into this area of lower lows. And the formation shows that, this is the double bottom, so the retest was going to happen somewhere around here. There's also other double bottoms, and then a retest happened. So somewhere in this section is the retest, and then we got that push up, and then now we're looking for price to see if it's going to break up. We're looking for some type of pattern here for it to break up to the next level, to take it up to an SR line or take it back down. But as we be in the overall trend, we are looking for buys, so we're looking for some type of pattern that's in this area of price action to take entry. So let's say if we do find entry and a pattern comes up, and let's say if it comes up at this SR line here, because we're in that uptrend, we can take it to our next SR line, which would give us okay, so if we was looking for entry and we caught it above the price action at the resistance line, that would give us a total of 155 pips up to the next TP, which is an amazing trade. If the market goes back to our low, it'll take us out for 50 pips on the low, which is still an amazing trade. 155 on the way up, 50 on the way down. That is GN. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention.